How to find things near you on Apple Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can find things near you on Apple Maps. Apple Maps is an application that has recently been gaining more and more popularity and a growing audience. Maps are very useful in some ways and in some things even the prestige of the competitor Google in that. Anyway, in today's video, we will show a very interesting option that you can use on Apple Maps. It's about finding interesting or useful things near you. How? Open Apple Maps on your phone. Open the search section. In the favorites section, tap the More button. Here you will see a large number of proposals from which you can choose one that seems interesting to you. I will select the Nearby Transit option. As you can see, at the moment I don't have any offers near me. If there is any Apple Maps, I can send them to the link below. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Maps tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.